This is a great way of washing greens so you avoid sand in the greens. Okay, you fill a big bowl with water and you put the greens in it and allow it to be there for 2 to 3 minutes. Then from top you want to take the greens out. You do not want to drain out the greens. Okay, by doing this, all the sand is going to settle at the bottom. If you're going to strain the water, then all the sand that is settled at the bottom will come on top. I'll just show you in a minute. Okay, I've taken all the greens out. Now, all right. Can you see the sand? Yeah, all the sand is settled at the bottom. So this is a great way to remove sand from the greens. If you have like a lot of greens, do it in batches, and if there is a lot of sand, wash the greens 2 times.